Hello, Fitz here for Model Aviation magazine, and today I have the Ephil 40cc twin with autostart from Valley View RC. Now this is a horizontally opposed twin-cylinder gas engine that features a self-starting capability. It's a nicely built engine with angled spark plugs and industry-standard Walbro carburetor. Of course, the most prominent feature is the one-way gear connected to a small brushless motor. And it's all in a nicely compact form factor. With the engine, you get the normal accessories like ignition module and mufflers, but also the starter motor and speed controller. The mufflers have the option for a smoke system built in by removing a screw plug and inserting the included nozzles. As a test mule, I mounted the Ephil engine to my Seagull model shock cub. Now, in order to place the motor control inside the fuselage, I did need to make some extension wires. I also pulled the red wire from the ESC plug to disable the built-in voltage regulator. I then plugged everything up and was ready to go. The cowl just barely fit over everything. Using a separate receiver channel, I initially linked the starter to a push button, but later moved it to a switch. Oh, and I also needed to shorten the muffler pipes a little in order to fit the cowl on. Everything worked like a charm. Press the button and the engine cranks right up. Makes for an easy one-man operation. I also hooked up the optional tachometer display inside the cockpit. On a 20x8 propeller, the flight performance was quite good, topping out at about 7,000 RPMs or so. The engine dutifully pulled a rather draggy shock cub through various maneuvers or simply trolling around. Right out of the box, the engine ran well and only needed minor tweaks to the needle valves. On multiple flights, the engine has been extremely reliable with no dead sticks or even changes in tuning. Throttle response is good and the sound has a nice note to it. All in all, I really enjoyed having the remote starting ability in this relatively small gas engine. So look for my full review in Model Aviation magazine.